Thank you for taking a few brief minutes to learn more about online payment options through our HealthDirect payment portal. Providing our patients and their families with alternative options to make a payment on a recently reviewed statement is important to the team at HealthDirect Pharmacy Services. On the printed and mailed statement that you recently received, please note our website address, or www.hdrxservices.com. Type the URL into any accessible internet browser to be redirected to our homepage. At the top right-hand corner of the homepage is an icon indicating access to our payment portal labeled as Bill Pay. Selecting Bill Pay will redirect you to a landing page that will ask for critical information off the statement recently received to facilitate an online payment. Once you have accessed the Customer Access Plus online payment solution, our patients will notice that they have various payment experiences available to them. For those visiting the payment portal for the first time, or as an unregistered user, access to the solution will be available from the top right-hand side of the page. Returning or registered users can access the payment portal from the left side of the page. Let's address those users using the payment portal for the first time as an unregistered user. Please use your statement received and then locate and input the following information: your customer number on the statement, your 5-digit billing zip code, the total amount due, and the statement's due date. Select Enter Payment Details, and the payment portal will securely access your account and payment information. Please note that this authentication step or process just completed ensures that your account information is always protected. Once you log into the payment solution, you will see a summary view of your account information represented on the printed statement you received in the mail. Please verify that the information is the same. A PDF copy of this statement is available as well. Select the icon View for the Actions toolbar located under Date. Patients can select to download the PDF and save the statement on their desktop, laptop, or smart device for their records. They can also choose to print the PDF if they have access to a local printer. Returning to the payment portal landing page will allow the user to select the Pay Now icon to be redirected to online payment options. However, as an unregistered user, we do not have your email address captured to return a receipt once the payment is made successfully through the portal. Please input your email address and select Continue. Navigate to the top middle of the payment section to access a drop-down box containing payment options. Patients have the ability to pay via ACH, check, or credit card. Select your payment alternative, in this instance check, and input your checking information as requested and select Continue. A summary page of this online transaction will appear. Ensure all information on this summary page is accurate, to include selecting and then reading the terms and conditions associated with the online payment in advance of executing payment. Select Confirm Payment to execute payment. Once a payment result is realized, your online payment portal receipt is available for you to print if you have access to a local printer. However, you will also receive a copy of this receipt via email based upon the address you provided to us at the beginning of the payment experience. To conclude the online payment session, a user has the option to log out. However, to allow for future paperless billing, a dialog box will appear asking the user to complete a registration process that will allow the patient to receive all future statements electronically versus through the U.S. mail. Now, as a registered user of the payment portal, the patients will receive an email from HealthDirect each month when a new statement is ready to be viewed and paid. Contained in that email will be an embedded link that will redirect the registered user to the Payment Solutions login screen. Upon arriving to the Payment Solutions login screen, the registered user will access the account by entering their unique username and password and select Login. Upon entering the payment portal as a registered user, select your account and then select the statement of record you would like to view as a PDF from the list. A PDF image of the statement is available to the patient to view and then download to a desktop, laptop, or smart device of his or her choice. Or the patient can print a PDF version of the statement if he or she has access to a local printer. A patient can certainly complete the process by selecting Pay Now as a registered user, but for both convenience and ease, registered users now have access to store their checking or credit card information in a secure virtual wallet. Select the account or statement that you would like to make payment on, and then select Manage Wallet. The patient now has the ability to create a virtual wallet for a credit card or a checking account. In this example, the patient selected Add Account and routed to a data input screen asking for him or her to input all the relevant information from their checking account. Please pay attention to the final data point or question on the input screen that requires the patient to input a nickname for this virtual wallet. That nickname will make it easier for the patient to access this virtual wallet every month to facilitate payment. When all data is complete, select Continue. A summary page that now contains the truncated account information of your virtual wallet and its nickname is available for your review. Once finished with auditing your information, select Add. Your virtual wallet has now been added to the payment alternatives you have as a registered user to make payment against your account balance. Returning to the payment screen, select your payment options from the drop-down menu on the top middle of the page to access your virtual wallet as your primary payment option. The patient of record will no longer be required to input his or her account information when using the virtual wallet to make a payment. Again, completing the payment through the portal will allow the patient to receive a copy of his or her receipt of the online transaction as an email of the address provided in his or her user profile during registration. Now that a virtual wallet has been created, a registered user can schedule a recurring payment to be drafted from his or her checking or credit card on a predetermined calendar date and for a predetermined amount. These scheduled and recurring payments make it easier for the patient to manage their account and account balance due without being tasked to visit the online portal and input information each month. From the document or statement list screen, select the account of record to initiate auto payment each month and then select Recurring Pay. The registered user will then be asked to add auto pay rules to his or her account for monthly payment. Select Add Auto Pay. The registered user will then be asked to select their virtual wallet of record that will be used to satisfy the scheduled or recurring payment. Address the question that allows the user to place a limit on what can be drawn from this virtual wallet each month to satisfy payment, and then select a date from the calendar icon that you would like these scheduled payments to occur each month. When completed with addressing all auto pay rules, select Continue. Your account is now scheduled to be drafted out of your checking account or credit card account each month for a predetermined amount on a predetermined date. We thank you for taking a few minutes to view this demonstration of our payment portal. For assistance with making a payment, registering as a user, or scheduling recurring payments, please contact the HealthDirect team at 888-331-3883. Thank you.